Hi guys, welcome to Twitter's funny channel. Today I'm going to teach how to make a currency converter in PHP. I already opened Dreamweaver software in front of you. Now I'm going to save the file first. Save as inside the htdoc. I'm going to save as php, and let's select the save as type as all and save. Now I saved the file successfully. Now I'm going to go to design the user interface of currency converter. So let's go to this one will be the tabs. Here go to the form tab first, and forms tab, you notice that this one will be the first tab in form tabs. This one will be the first tab, form, which name is form. You just click on this. Here you can see the red color box. Okay, within the inside the red color box you have to design your form. Okay, if you click the code view, you can notice that this is the form. Form consists of name, method and actions. Okay, here this is the design tab. Okay, instead of doing the design view, you will able to do the code view as well. So design view is a easy one for this purpose. Okay, here if you click here, go to the command, click on the table. Here how many rows and columns you need, you have to specify here. I need here only four and 2 columns, and click OK. This one will be the columns, this one will be the rows. This one will be the 4 rows and 2 columns consist of this table. Here this one will be the table. Here TR mean table rows. Okay, how many rows are there? 4 rows, so I put 4 TR here. It's automatically created like this. Now what I'm going to do is here I'm going to write the text here from here to here amount, here submit. I need one button which name is submit. Go to the form design, you click on this button here, it's a submit. Okay, submit button, you click on here and change the name as submit. Press enter key and change the name, button name as submit. Okay, now what I'm going to do is here I'm going to import the text boxes as well, the relevant text. I'm going to import the text box. So this one will be your form tab. Form one tab, the second icon will be text box. You click and open it here like this. Sorry, not the form tab, not a text field. This one will be the multiple choice. For multiple choice we can't choose text box. If you want to store multiple data, you have to get this one list. Okay, this one you will able to store multiple data, more than one data you can store. Okay, here like this. Here also this one list. Okay, here amount only I need one text box control. Okay, this is the simple design I made. You can do like this. Okay, this one let me change the name as each and every tools. Click on this one, defaultly come as select. We change as this one. What is the name here? I give from. This is belongs to from text. This one list belongs to as well. This text box belongs to amount. You have to type the relevant name for these controls. Now text box control, I already typed the name, relevant name, submit. Okay, I successfully designed the view here. Now what I'm going to do is here I am going to pass the value over here. So here click on this list menu here, click on this, select this one, and you can see below the property window there will be the button which is a list value. You click on this one, select and click this list value button. You can see this kind of dialog box, list values. So here how many values you want displaying here, you have to enter. I am only enter 2. One is a UK pounds, second one is USA dollar. These two currency I entered here. You will able to enter more than you will able to enter more currency here. You just press the plus button and you can enter more currency. If you want to delete the currency, you just select the currency and you can click delete button here, this one, minus button here, you click OK. Here it will be coming like this. The same thing you have to do here as well. This is the from, and here I'm going to select the different currency. This is Sri Lanka, LKR for rupees, this one for India, LKR. That's it. Click OK. Now you can see this one. Let's save and run the program first. We'll see what happens. Here let's go here and localhost. What's the currency? That will be a project name, currency.php. Here this one will be our project. Here if you select UK, you have to convert UK pound to Sri Lankan rupees. What is the amount you want? If you select 3 pounds, how much of Sri Lankan price? If you click here, it's coming display at the bottom. Okay, converting amount will be displayed at the bottom. That is the thing I'm going to do. Here multiple choice, you can convert either Sri Lanka or India. Here also you can select 2 choice, UK dollar or pounds. Okay, you can add many dollars, many currencies. Okay, I add only 2 things. Okay, as well. Let's go here, go to the, I successfully designed the form. Let me go to the coding part, click on here. After the HTML, this one will be the design tab. Okay, so I'm going to write, after completing the HTML here, I'm going to write the coding view separately, so we can avoid the errors. So okay, if you write both PHP coding view and HTML coding both at the same line here, when the error occur, it's very difficult to identify the error. So that if you write separately PHP tag and HTML tag separately, we can reduce the error. Okay, here we can easily understand, identify while running the program if the error is coming. Okay, so that I wrote separately. Okay, here what I'm going to do is here, first you have to write the PHP tag like this. Here within the tag you have to create 3 variables. One is for from, second one is for to, third one is for amount. You have to create 3 variables as well. This one for from equal post here. I create the variable from mean, this how create the variable $from this one for text box name, which is a from, sorry, this list name, which is a from. Okay, after that I'm going to create another variable, which is to equal $post here to this one will mean this 2. Okay, after that I'm going to equal into another thing as amount, create the variable as amount. Okay, you simply create the variable name, and in front of the name you have to put this the dollar sign. It's automatically make it as a variable PHP. Post, here you have to write amount. That is the relevant task you have to do. Is here what I does in this coding is, if you select UK pound or US dollar, if you select like this, it's automatically passing to the variable from. Okay, whatever you are entered here on your left side, it is passing to the right side variable. Okay, it store the variable from. The same thing happening to as well, and amount as well. Okay, I successfully created 3 variables. After that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to check the condition, because if the user select US pound and select here the currency Sri Lanka or India, what is the output? Okay, so there are multiple choice, so we have to write the condition as well. So if you write the condition, you have to start from if. So if create the variable, but the variable is from the user, from means from, it's selecting from, is selecting here to here. Okay, so from double equal double quotation mark, here you have to put this one, which one, UK pound, and here you just copy this one, copy here. Otherwise you can write within the coding also. So why I copy here is, if you leave any spelling mistake like this while you writing, it's getting error. Okay, whatever you wrote here is the same thing you have to write here. Okay, so that I copy and paste, we can avoid some errors, spelling mistakes. Okay, if you write from here, if you select UK pound and you have to write hand coding like this, and otherwise you have to hand like this, and other one is 2, this one will be a 2 variable equal to this one, Sri Lankan LKR. Okay, so if the user select UK pound and Sri Lankan rupees, if both conditions there, why should I put and is here? If the both conditions should be true and will be work. Okay, so that I put and this one and this one, if both conditions should be true. If the user select both, the user select this one UK pound as well as Sri Lankan LKR, and if the submit button, what will happen? Okay, you have to write here what will happen if the user select this both. Okay, if both condition will be true, what happen? So amount, this amount I am going to declare here equal amount, here multiply by what is the currency rate of Sri Lanka. I just write 150 echo this amount. Otherwise here total we put here instead of total as like this. Okay, let's save and check what happened. From okay, I leave some mistakes here. I forgot to put it. The one thing is if is set this one will be the must when you are writing the program. Before writing the calculation part and everything, you have to write the set method. Here if you press the submit button, what happens? So submit, write like this. You have open two brackets here, so that you have to close here at the end. Here, open it, at the end you have to close. Now okay, error will be gone. Here let's select pound and Sri Lankan rupees. Here enter the UK pound 2. Here 30 will be the answer. It's working successfully. What I did is here, when you press submit button, here submit button, what will happen here? If you have to write is set, okay, first you have to this one PHP keywords is set, post, submit mean when you click the button submit mean this button name called as submit. If you click the submit button, this calculation will be done. Okay, so if this both conditions must be true, this calculation will be happen. Okay, else if the user select from double equal USA dollar to sorry, we have to write another condition also. Pound UK, okay, UK dollar and double equal to the same Sri Lankan rupees. First we complete the Sri Lankan stuff, after that we are going to go to our Indian stuff, okay, as well. Okay, here same thing, yes, same thing we are copy here and here we paste it. Okay, here only thing we have to change is here currency rate is maybe 150, here let me give as here 130. Okay, the currency rate should be changed. Okay, here if the user select US dollar and Sri Lankan rupees here like this, UK dollar and Sri Lankan rupees, what will be the output? Current range I put here is 130. Okay, so this one will be multiplication, this one will be multiplication and put it to the variable top. The final output is coming inside this top. Okay, or on this top. Okay, if you echo and dot, the file output will be printed. We successfully completed the pounds part, this Sri Lankan parts. Now let's doing the Indian LKR part, Indians part. Sri Lankan parts are completed, so let's copy this one, paste it one more time, here also paste it. Okay, here let's select as here instead of Sri Lanka, select as India. Okay, the user select US dollar to India. Here we'll change it. Here some price, some 60 or something else. The same thing here I am going to change as UK pound to here Indian LKR. UK pound to LKR, we have to put the currency rate like this, currency rate. Okay, the same thing here. What I did is here, if the user select UK pound and Sri Lankan LKR, this one will be the calculation. This is the current rate. It is calculate and display the total. If the user select, otherwise if the user select USA dollars to Sri Lankan rupees, this one will be the output. Here if the user select US dollars to Indian LKR, this two conditions should be true, so that I put AND operator. This is the current rate display here. If the user select UK pounds to Indian LKR here, this one the current rate display the total here. Else I'm going to do else mean something error. Okay, else part I'm going to put error. Okay, let's save and execute the program and see what will be the output. Let's refresh the page. Okay, now here what I'm going to do is here UK dollar and Sri Lankan rupees. Here I'm going to enter UK dollar. I am enter 20 UK dollar and submit. That one will be the output. Okay, now let's USA dollar India rupee Indian. So let's free. If you submit here, this one will be the output. Okay, that is easy to convert. We can write the convert program look like this. Okay, here let me design this form little bit attractively. So let's go to the coding part, and here what I'm going to do is here cell padding put as 20. Here cell spacing also I'm change as 20. Here aligned I'm going to make it as center. Now let's go to the design and see the look like the form look like this. Here save, go here and see the form. Here this one with the form. This output also still at the left side. If you want to align at the center, you have to make it go to the coding part here as well. Here what I'm going to do is here you have to write echo h1 mean h not h1 h2. Let me make it as h2 because adding dot mean concatenate operator. Put concatenate operator, and here you have to here end. You have to end the. If you open the h2 tag here, you must close at the end. You close it. The same thing you have to copy here and paste it over here as well. The same thing here as well. Same thing as well. Okay, now if you write like this, the font will be become big. Okay, let's test that. Here a little bit bigger, but still at the left side. It's not coming at the center. So here I write align equal center. Sorry, here single quotation. If you put like this, you call single quotation. Here same thing, you have to copy. Here also paste it. Here also paste it. Okay, now let's save the file and refresh the page. Now let's $to India. If I enter 45 and submit, you can see the total at the bottom look like this. Okay, the simple stuff I did here. Here I wrote the H2 tag. Okay, this is the this is how the font become bigger. Okay, this is a concatenate operator. Okay, you have to write the style also. If you want to write the style, you must put this dot. Okay, the variable plus this style, then only it will be the variable the size will be become big. Okay, if you write without the concatenate operator, it will be throwing the error. If you write like this, here so it will be error. Okay, so that I wrote this concatenated operators. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial well. If you have any doubt, you can ask me any times. Thank you for watching.